Hello everyone and welcome to Ross Slimes. Today I'm going to show you how you can make liquid starch at home for next to nothing, and it's quick and easy and you can do it yourself. So what you need for this is some corn flour. Now on the tutorials on the internet it says corn starch. This is exactly the same, but we in the UK call it corn flour. You need some of this and you need 2 cupfuls of water. Now, what you want to do is, you want to get a saucepan. You want to put the 2 cups of corn flour, the 2 cups of water, into the saucepan. Like so. And then you want to get your corn flour or corn starch, whichever one you live on. Tablespoon and a half into the saucepan and mix it up to make sure there's no lumps. Mix it. Make sure you mix all of the lumps out so there's none in the pan whatsoever. I recommend, if you're not confident using the cooker yourself, to get an adult to help you with this, because obviously it's going to get hot. Now what you want to do is, you want to bring it to the boil and leave it to boil for a minute. Boiling. Just make sure you stir it so that there's no lumps in it whatsoever. You need to let it boil for 1 whole minute. Once it starts bubbling, it's boiling. Leave it to boil for 1 full minute. Like that. Then, once you've boiled this for 1 full minute, what you want to do is let it stand until it cools to room temperature. So we'll wait for it. Then once your mixture has cooled down, it's not fully cool yet, but you'll have this sort of gloopy looking texture to it. Once that's down to room temperature, there you have your very own DIY homemade liquid starch, ready for use in all your slime making, or you can even put it in a spray bottle and spray it on your clothes and it'll do wonders. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and leave us a like. Let us know what you thought in the comments. Thanks for watching.